Formal nang inanunsyo kagabi sa Nalu Surf Camp Barangay Sabang Baler, Aurora sa isang seremonya ang resulta ng mga nagwagi sa libang kategorya sa katatapos na 16th Aurora Surfing Challenge.
G. Yap from Manila and Catlea Casals from Baler. Congratulations!
Nagwagi sa Wahin Longboard sina third runner-up G. Yap, second runner-up Catlea Casals at naging champion si Glyce Villar. Sa Wahin Shortboard category, itinanghal na third runner-up si April Joy Isagire, second runner-up Janel Proceso, first runner-up Glyce Villar at champion naman si Catlea Casals. Sa Junior Boys Shortboard, nanalo sina third runner-up Taba Eclarinal, second runner-up Vin Tangson, first runner-up Kalua Tena at naging champion si John Espinosa.
The men's longboard here at the 16th Aurora Surfing Challenge is... Congratulations, Joren Guerrero!
Sa Open Men's Longboard, itinanghal na mga nanalo bilang third runner-up si Julius Isagire, second runner-up Daniel Tapukol, first runner-up Mark Aguila at nag-champion si Joren Guerrero.
Alright, our champion for men's shortboard, congratulations to Neil Sanchez!
Sa resulta sa Open Men's Shortboard, third runner-up si Julius Isagire, second runner-up si Jeric Peñaredondo, first runner-up si Epong Faraon at naging champion si Neil Sanchez. Ako ang inyong naging tagapaghatid balita, Jason De Asis para sa RTV News Desk.